Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get rid of warts at home using safe and proven methods backed by research. These techniques don't require any fancy equipment, and you probably have most of the stuff lying around your house already. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! One of the most surprising, but super effective, ways to get rid of warts is by using duct tape. This method was actually tested in a study published back in 2002 by researchers at the Madigan Army Medical Center. They found that using duct tape was even more effective than freezing warts with liquid nitrogen. So here's how you do it. Cut a small piece of duct tape just big enough to cover the wart. Stick the tape over the wart and leave it on for about 6 days. It's important to keep the wart completely covered during this time, so if the tape falls off, just replace it. After 6 days, remove the tape and soak the wart in warm water for about 5 minutes. Gently file away the dead skin using a pumice stone or an emery board. Leave the wart uncovered overnight, and the next morning, apply a new piece of duct tape. Repeat this process until the wart is completely gone. It usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks. Next up, we have the apple cider vinegar treatment. This is a more natural approach, and it's backed by loads of anecdotal evidence. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which is believed to slowly destroy the tissue of the wart, causing it to peel away. Here's how you do it. Soak a cotton ball or pad in apple cider vinegar. Apply the soaked cotton to the wart and secure it with a Band-Aid or medical tape. Leave it on overnight, then remove it in the morning. Repeat this every night until the wart turns black and falls off. This usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks. The acetic acid can cause some stinging, so if you notice irritation, dilute the vinegar with a little bit of water. If you want something a bit more powerful, you can pick up salicylic acid from any drugstore. According to the Mayo Clinic, salicylic acid is one of the best and most widely used treatments for warts. It works by softening the skin layers and gradually dissolving the wart. Here's how you use it. Soak the wart in warm water for about 5 minutes to soften the skin. Apply the salicylic acid directly to the wart following the instructions on the package. Cover the wart with a bandage and leave it on. After 24 hours, remove the bandage, file away any dead skin, and repeat the process daily until the wart is gone. This can take a few weeks, but it's really effective. Okay, if none of the methods I've mentioned are working, or if you want faster results, you can try an at-home freezing kit. Cryotherapy freezes the wart with liquid nitrogen. It's the same technique that doctors use, but at-home kits are milder. Here's how you do it. Follow the instructions on the kit to apply the freezing liquid to the wart. You'll feel a cold, burning sensation, and the wart should turn white and then blister. After a few days, the wart will fall off on its own. If it's still hanging on, you can repeat the process after 2 weeks. Studies show that freezing is one of the fastest ways to get rid of warts, but be careful when using cryotherapy. You don't want to accidentally freeze the skin around the wart. Alright, those are the most effective and easy methods to get rid of warts at home. To recap, try the duct tape method. It's surprisingly effective and safe. Use apple cider vinegar for a natural approach. Salicylic acid is a proven over-the-counter option. Cryotherapy is the quickest, but make sure you follow the directions closely. Remember, warts can be stubborn, but with these methods, you'll be able to get rid of them for good. If the wart persists after several weeks or becomes painful, don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist for professional treatment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.